Do you have a tribe? Of course you have a tribe. Whatever your beliefs are, I'm sure you agree that ancient man, ancient us, we lived in a tribal community. Science agrees, the Bible agrees, ancient historians agree that man, us, used to live in a tribal group.
Human nature has not changed. Modern groups today are psychologically equivalent to the tribes of ancient history.
Tribal community is in our DNA. We crave it, we need it. We need to be around our people, we need to be around our tribe. So backyard living is the modern day gathering location for your tribe. The backyard living space is where we come together, our tribe, the people we care about, our family, our friends, our close tribal members, and we build memories. We gather together, and just like the tribal communities of our ancestors, the backyard is where we come together around the fire and we tell those stories, we build those memories, we prepare food, and we share meals with our tribe. And we celebrate and commemorate momentous occasions. Our backyard is the hub of our modern tribal community. We're going to talk all about tribes and how you can gather your modern tribe and get them to your backyard tribal area. Enjoy. Now, I see a clear connection between what we have in our DNA, this tribal community, and the gathering of our tribe, our people, our friends, our family, our extended family, to our backyard life. The modern backyard has grown to mirror what you would see in the tribal community. The center of a tribal community was the group campfire. The campfire became a place of group bonding within the camp. This was a common place to gather before a hunt, share food, tell stories, and learn from each other. And this is why I so strongly feel like every family unit, every friend group, every social circle, they need a fire pit in their backyard. This is a must. You need it, okay? You need to have it for your tribe. This is the gathering spot for your backyard. It's the central space in your backyard living space. That fire pit will attract your tribe.
And similar to our ancient tribal ancestors, this is where you will come together to grow and learn from one another, to socialize and to entertain. Food. Hunting, gathering, and the preparation of food was an integral part of ancient tribes. Food is more than survival, more than just a fundamental need. The sharing of food has always been a part of human history. Scientists have found evidence in a cave of a hearth where people dined together 300,000 years ago. From the ashes of Vesuvius, scientists have also found a circular loaf of bread scored to be divided and shared. We still have an inherent need to gather and break bread together. This phrase, as old as the Bible, captures the power of a meal to connect and bond and build relationships within our tribes. Food nurtures the mind and the body. Our modern day tribes are no different. The preparation of food and need to break bread together is still an integral part of our backyard living. Coming together around the grill, the bar, or dining area is a magnet for your tribe. We will always flock to where there's food. This is why having an outdoor kitchen area, small or large, is so important. And while breaking bread is a part of everyone's lives, we each have our own individual expression of what we like, what we want, and what we need in our backyard kitchen and dining areas to attract our tribe.
So imagine what it took our ancient ancestors to forage and to try to do what they needed to do to sustain their tribe. Getting food, the basic necessities of life, was very difficult for our ancient ancestors. Now look at our modern conveniences. We have a backyard tribe, but it's very easy to get food. Now we can get it at the store, but a lot of people, the modern person, is growing their own food in their backyards. Whether it's a greenhouse where you're growing your food, or it could be your vegetable garden outside, it could be a large vegetable garden. It could even be a raised garden bed where you're growing your food there. Or it could even be a vertical garden. Lots of different ways the modern conveniences give us to be able to sustain our tribe. Another thing that our ancient tribal ancestors have always done in a tribal community is they would compete in tournaments. In fact, tribes would compete with tribes. In fact, even within a tribe, you would have people competing in tournaments with each other. Now look at our backyard environment. In fact, our backyards are built, so to speak, for tournaments, especially with the guys. My backyard, we are doing a whole backyard tournament, so to speak. I'm doing a golf area, I'm doing cornhole area, axe throwing, dart throwing. I love competing in my backyard, and all of my tribal members love competing too.
Let's turn it off.
That's what we love to do, is just hang out together and compete. Another thing we do all the time, in fact, every time when we're hanging out, is we play cards. Cards can be another way to compete, which we love. Yeah. He's got to prove. He's got to prove something.
All I'm doing is prepping for next year's crap that you're going to throw for the tournament.
You beat me 2 years in a row. I was undefeated. What happened, Sam?
What happened was the reigning champ won again.
Oh gosh, we love them, but I definitely hate them. And we're constantly competing with each other in our backyard environment. But this is what I was thinking too, is we watch tournaments, so to speak. We love watching our football, our basketball, our games on TV in our outdoor space. So the backyard tribal community is just like our ancient tribal ancestors. We love to compete in tournaments. Another thing that our ancient ancestors did is they like to entertain each other. Now they would do this through a lot of different ways. Dance, they would do that through storytelling. But if you can imagine in our modern world, what we do with our tribal community in our backyards is we watch backyard movies. And it's something I want you to understand is the modern tribe can set up a beautiful outdoor movie theater. You could have speakers all around and everybody can be entertained by storytelling with a modern storytelling, the outdoor movie theater. So set up an outdoor movie theater. Another thing you could do is just have a TV. In fact, a very common thing to do is put a TV above your outdoor fireplace. Now people rip on me all the time, but the modern tribe, depending on your tribe, would love that. It could be where it's perfect for your tribe and your people to watch an outdoor movie on a TV, or maybe it's not. Maybe you would prefer to just enjoy the traditional TV, which is the outdoor fireplace. Just the ambiance of the fire could be all your tribe needs.
We are wired to connect. We are innately tribal. We have this deeply embedded need to belong to a social group, a tribe, and maintain fulfilling relationships with others. Scientific evidence has proven this inherent need is in our DNA. Our backyard living area not only provides our tribe the ability to gather around the fire and break bread together, but also the perfect means for celebrating all occasions. As in ancient tribal times, they would gather together for rituals, ceremonies, and celebrations, our modern day tribes do as well. Whether it's a graduation, an anniversary, a wedding, a new baby, or any other celebration, we definitely have a multitude of reasons to fulfill our intrinsic need to gather together and grow and bond and build our tribe.
Now, I really want you to have your own backyard tribal community. I want it to be at your backyard where you are bringing your tribe to your space. Now, there's a lot that goes into these. We could help you so much. We have tons of videos that show you how to do the different things we talked about, the fire pit, the fireplace, the covered area, the outdoor kitchen. Please take the time, educate yourself, because I want you to get it right for your tribe. But I also want to let you know we can help you with the design. In fact, I would recommend it very much because there's a lot that goes into this. Your tribe, when everybody's meeting together, I want them to have a place to go, and I want it to be just right for you and for them. So we can help you design the perfect space, make sure it flows correctly, make sure when everybody's there, they all have a place to land and they're all having a good time. We can help you with that. We do it in 3D. And I want to let you know that I talk to people all day about this. In fact, we just talked with somebody, they got 3 different designs from 3 different companies because they didn't quite get what they needed from any of them, and then they stumbled upon a video. We went and talked with a one-on-one together, me and them, and I was able to help them to put everything into place and really solidify the true backyard area for their tribe. But think about that, either the 3D design or a call with me, and we will get you to the right place for your tribe. So if I have done nothing else in this video, I hope that it's inspired you to get a backyard for your tribe. Lots of different ways to do this, but the main thing is you and your tribe together in your backyards. I hope that I've inspired you for that. Now, we've talked about it already, but fire is that central space for the gathering of your tribe. Here's a whole video I want you to see on creating destination with fire. I know you're gonna love it. Enjoy that now. Thanks for watching.